Dual dangers are causing concern for most of Minnesota today.
Alerts are still in effect for the next few hours, and here is why. Ground level ozone is making our air unhealthy to breathe, and this hot, dry weather has sparked a high fire risk. A new wildfire broke out in northeast Minnesota today. Take a look at this huge plume of smoke from the Jenkins Creek fire near Hoyt Lakes. Crews are fighting the 800-acre fire from the air and the ground, and crews are also trying to contain a fast-moving wildfire in Alt Township, about 40 miles north of Duluth. The Camp House fire has destroyed homes and forced evacuations. Our Jason Rantala has the latest on both the fire and air quality concerns.
There wasn't a cloud in the sky in Minneapolis Monday, but really, that's part of the problem.
Here at the Sculpture Garden, it's hot, it's sunny, it is dry. These are the perfect ingredients for ground level ozone.
Take a look at these areas in orange, in western Minnesota, the Twin Cities, and St. Cloud. That ground level ozone causing unhealthy air for sensitive groups like children, adults, and those with breathing problems. While uncommon last year, ozone-related air quality alerts often happen several times a year, according to Ryan Leake, an air quality forecaster with the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency.
It can impact even healthy people, and susceptibility can develop over time. And so we're kind of, encouraging everybody to take this into consideration, just trying to limit exposure to the outdoors during that peak heating and daylight time.
Ozone, just one of our threats Monday. Our cameras were rolling as the DNR's fire danger sign flipped from very high to extreme. Extreme conditions not helping, as the St. Louis County Sheriff now says more than 50 have been evacuated due to a northern Minnesota wildfire that's now grown to more than 700 acres since Sunday. 3 homes have been destroyed.
It made me sick to my stomach.
Greg Ruberg fears his cabin is now gone.
I have not heard if my cabin's okay. I do know that the neighboring 2 cabins, including the garages, have burned completely to the ground.
Still plenty of firefighting to go, as the sheriff says the fire remains 0% contained. Jason Rantala, WCCO News.